we say that I got 95% marks, that means the ratio is you are getting 95 marks out of 100 and therefore you are saying 95%. So we think that 95% is a good marks. So in case of businesses also, when we have seen that the data is required to be collected or financial results are to be extracted from the books of accounts, we have seen that how to extract or how to prepare the financial statement from the data which we are maintaining as a books of accounts. So how to read that particular data, that is more important, and therefore that part will be called as part of the analysis. And therefore we should know first that how to calculate the ratio, then only we can go ahead with the interpretation. Without that we cannot interpret anything. So for that purposes we should know how to calculate the ratio. Now we have seen that our financial statements contains three parts, that is trading manufacturing account, P&L account, balance sheet. This is the three you can say the parts of our financial statements. Now if we go one by one, then manufacturing will give you the position of what the profit or loss at that particular stage of manufacturing or trading. P&L account gives you the net profit or loss which you have earned after earning a profit from or the loss from the manufacturing activity. This is the position as on date. Now we will go with the certain things like this profit. If suppose there is a profit, if we say the profit is say 5 lakh rupees. Now whether this 5 lakh rupees is which that particular firm has earned is good or bad, how can you say? So we should know the different aspects, that how much capital they have employed and out of that how much they have earned. Then we should have the figure of what capital. Then whether this 5 lakh has been earned on 5 crore, whether this 5 lakh has been earned on 50 crore, or whether this has been earned on say 10 crore cells. I am talking about cells. So this standalone figure of 5 lakh rupees profit doesn't speak anything, and therefore the ratios are there which makes them speaks, and therefore we should go ahead with different calculation of the ratio. So what we will do is, we will see first the ratio calculations as regards this manufacturing or trading account is